Hello everyone. Today, we will see how to manage subscriptions or recurring payments from your website using the Better Payment forms. Make sure to install and activate the Better Payment Free, Pro and Elementor plugins. First, log into your WordPress dashboard. Open a page with Elementor, where you want to showcase the subscription form. Search in the widget panel and add Better Payment on the page. Now you have to turn the payment form into a subscription form. For that, choose Layout 4, General from the form layout and set the payment type to recurring. After that, two new fields will appear, Price ID and Webhook Secret. To retrieve these info, you have to log in to your Stripe account. Collect the Price ID and Webhook Secret to complete the setup. Follow the documentation attached in the video description. Provide the required ID and key into the Price ID and Webhook Secret fields from the side panel of Elementor Editor. Make sure to keep the Stripe button enabled to get payments of your subscriptions. You are all set to collect and manage subscriptions from your website directly. Time to update the subscription form appearance and align it with your website branding. Head over to the Style tab and adjust the subscription form's background color, text color, button and others to your preferences. When you are done with customizations, make the page live. It is simple to manage subscription payments from your customers with Better Payment. Here, we are showing how you can make a test subscription payment. Go to your site, give your name and proceed to the payment. Enter all the details and click on the subscribe. This is how easy it is to manage subscriptions with the Better Payment plugin. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials and tips.